Hello friends, welcome to my channel Life is Beautiful. Friends, all you know, Logitech is known for the best wireless keyboard and mouse, and there were many single board connections we have seen earlier, and today we are going to have a look at one of those devices. This something else makes you comfortable working with multiple devices. And today I am presenting this Logic K375S connects different devices at once. By using this keyboard, you connect your computer or smartphone or any tab, etc. There are three devices at most you can connect to this keyboard. So let's start today unboxing and review. So let's open up the box and I'm gonna take out the keyboard from the box. It packed in cover. So this is a keyboard you can see, and you got the holder, mobile holder, a tab holder, so you can place that into the holder and can work with the keyboard. And here the keyboard, you can see there are three additional switches you can get here. So the rest of the keyboard is like standard keyboard. The three keys are gray in color. These three keys switches up to three devices at once. This is the best version available in this keyboard, and this is very compact also. And you can see the keys, the gap between the key, quite a bit narrow. You can see compressed version here. You can see the keyboard, this keyboard. So, and the keys are also little bit harder, not very smooth but okay. The keys are normal concave shape, like regular keyboard. When you compare my last Logitech K270 keyboard with current 375S keyboard, there is only size comparison here. So there were keys, larger gap between the keys compared to current 375S, and the size also bigger than this. So when I compare to this part, so this drawback comes into picture. When you look behind, there are two elevation stands to change your elevation angles, and two AAA batteries can last for 2 years. So it's better option. And this one more elevation angle, okay, two sides, and you can see the clips that give support when you place keyboard on the desk. So rubber three, there are three. So starting I have shown you this uh, holder, which you can put a mobile or tablet, or so comfortably you can place and work with your keyboard, place on your desk. So the that is black and gray in color here, light. So I'm placing my mobile here so comfortably. So there is a gap to switch your home button. So this is quite comfortable. Here comes the USB receiver with keyboard, which you can plug into USB port on your working device. Now I will show you how it works on mobile device and computer together. Here I have turned on the power button. Here you have to keep pressing the button till it gets blinking. So it is blinking now. I'm gonna pair the device. So device has been paired, and it has provided some pin I have entered from the keyboard itself. So device are connected successfully. So now I'm gonna access this laptop from this keyboard. So you can see I'm entering here, hello. And this time I'm gonna access now on the mobile device. How it works on mobile device, we'll check. So keep press button, second button, for 3 seconds or till it gets blinking. So this is taking some time. So here we got the device paired with keyboard. You can see the message on the mobile, so it is blinking. That means it has been connected. So now I'm entering some message from my keyboard, so you can see on the screen. So here, hello, hi. So here I'm accessing both devices at once. So you can see on the mobile and the keyboard and the laptop both at a time. Here I'm accessing multiple devices at once, both mobile and my laptop. So in this way you can do many function, and also you can switch between multiple devices and share and send or forward any data with ease. Overall, this keyboard is compact, multi-device connected, work over Bluetooth devices, connect your smartphones, but the gap between the keys is quite narrow. The mobile holder well useful when you want to work on mobile. Friend, this is today's video. If you found little bit information from this video also, please subscribe, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.